What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to the channel if you're new. And in this video we'll talk about SUI again, but this time around we'll focus a little bit more on meme coins on SUI, alright? And then we'll talk about two things, my favorite meme coins on SUI, including the ones I bought, alright? So just so you know, I bought them. That doesn't necessarily mean you need to buy them, and I bought them at a relatively good price point. So you're essentially buying my bags. If you don't want to do that, don't do that, all right? But you should know it. But we'll talk about SUI, meme coins on SUI, how to buy them a little bit at the end, but mostly how to identify them and the ones that I find most interesting. I also made 3 days ago, as you can see right here, I did a video on the best SUI projects that has some meme coins as well in it. But that mostly has other serious projects on SUI as well. If you want to know more about that, check that out. But for now, let's get right into it. Now, I do want to make a quick disclaimer before getting into this video. Look, I have evidence why I think SUI and its meme coin ecosystem is going to do good, but these meme coins are super high risk, all right? There is a real risk that you will lose all the money you put into them. So know that, all right? Take that into consideration and then kind of think whether you want to do this, yes, no, etc. But yeah, like I said, at the end, I'll briefly explain how to actually buy these meme coins. But first of all, let's talk a little bit more about what's going on. So SUI has been performing very, very well, as you can see right here. Is still bullish, technically at this point of time. Its ecosystem has been performing very well as well, with the DEX trading volumes getting to all-time highs, total value locked, very, very bullish. So in general, and in the background you can hear my dog. Don't mind him, he's doing fine. So SUI is doing great. Now we can talk about what is the reason behind this. I don't think that matters that much, all right? What I think matters more is identifying this and seeing the opportunities. And I think a lot of meme coins are still relatively new for SUI, and I still think you can actually make some money with them. So let's first talk about which meme coins I like most, or at least the ones I bought, all right? So let's get right into it. All right, so I bought a couple of SUI meme coins already. The ones I bought, you can find right here, I believe. I bought SUI Man, that's up quite a bit. That's up, I almost doubled my money on that. I bought Blob and I bought Axel. Now, Axel, I 2x my money on that already. Blob is around my entry. Superman is up like 60-70%. So my meme coins are doing quite well. Look, in general, what I've done here is I've just looked up the SUI ecosystem category on CoinMarketCap, right? So you go to categories right here. You look up SUI ecosystem, and what you're looking for, because essentially, look, I think these meme coins are fine. Blob has a relatively big community. SUI Man has a lot of volume, and Axel I think is in market cap is very interesting. It only has a market cap of $11 million. So that's why I bought those. But essentially, you need to make the decisions, all right? And what I'm looking for in terms of a meme coin on SUI, since it's so new, is a relatively low market cap, good volume, and a real community on X. All right, so that's basically how I do it right now. You can either find them this way, all right, so looking at CryptoRank, looking at CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, looking up the SUI ecosystem category, and finding them there. So you can see quite a lot of meme coins in here already, right? And then you can kind of see whether you like the market cap. I would say it has to have at least a couple of $100,000 in volume. And then you click the project. So for example, with Blob, you click the project, you go to their X to kind of see if there's also a real community around this. I thought with Blob that was the case, and that's why I bought it. So that's the best way to kind of do this, right? Find these projects either through CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, or CryptoRank. And then vetting the projects. Do you like the market cap? A market cap of, I would say, between, well, ultimately $1 million and $50 million. I would say that's best. You need volume, preferably above $1 million, but at least a couple of $100,000. And then is there also some sort of community pushing this? Now, that's one way to find them. Like I said, I bought Blob, SUI Man, and Axel. There's much more here. another way to do this, and this is also how you buy them, is you go to Cetus. All right, so Cetus, C-E-T-U-S. If you go to their website, this is where you can trade these coins. All right, so if you go to trade all the way at the top right here, which I will quickly remove this. If you go to trade all the way at the top right here, you go to swap, and there you can actually swap SUI, which you have to have on a SUI wallet. So an example of a SUI wallet is this one, SUET, S-U-I-E-T. Build that, create your wallet, buy SUI on a centralized exchange, send it to the wallet, and then connect to this. And here you can exchange SUI for other tokens, right? So let me zoom in a bit. Here you have your SUI. I still have a little bit left from what I bought, and then you can buy other tokens via this. But here on Cetus, if you go to the top to more and then to stats, you can also see which meme coins are actually pulling quite a lot of volume now, right? So this is how I find some meme coins as well. And here you can actually find other meme coins that have volume as well, that are not necessarily on CoinMarketCap and the other sites. So this is another way. And then it's all about finding the best meme coins, again, with a strong community, relatively low market cap, but decent volume, all right? And that's the way to do it, I think. Ultimately, look, you can also scroll X a very long period of time and find them that way. And that's probably how you find the low cap, the low market cap real gems. But I'm not looking for 100x's, I'm looking for 10x's, and I think these are great ways to find the 10x meme coins on SUI, if SUI actually is able to continue performing like it has been doing, all right? If that's the case, I think meme coins, like we just talked about today, I'll call mines out once more, SUI, Man, Blub, but also something like FUD, Axel. I do think that there's 5 and 10x's in there, so I definitely think that there's potential in actually researching this for yourself as well. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, or join the Telegram or the Discord group. That's very much appreciated as well. But that's what I think you need to know for now. All right, so thank you for watching. Take care and bye.